Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, to our channel, guys. My name is Alifatul Fitria Azhar. My name is Eri Manuri. My name is Aisyah Nuraini.
My name is Sylvia Dara Puspita.
We are from 2A class. In this video, we will explain motivation speech. Let's do video. %20 on the nation report parted the you below for 12th grader for the subtraction in math. In America, we had everything as an explanational country, but the 26% sounds explanational to you. Raise your hand. If you think as the country we need do you way better than that. I am with you. We all need math for why so many kids confuse best. It is because only 26% of people are hardwired from that. Love 70% or not. After working with thousands of kids, I can tell you this is the case of all. Kids don't understand because we have been teaching it at the home subject. But if we make math human again, it will start to make sense again. You are probably wondering, how is math in every human in the first place? So think about it. Math is human language just like Spanish and Chinese because it allows people to communicate with each other. Even in ancient time, people need the language of math. This is idea of math. The language is an exceptional. A great philosopher once said, "The law of nature are written in the language of mathematics." So you see, even Galileo agreed, isn't it? But somewhere along the line, we are talking the language of math with about the real world around us.
And we abstract that beyond the is recognition. Well, she did street great Californian math standard, and people make sense when 8 years old. Understand the fraction of 1 over b as the quantity formed by 1 part when a whole is partitioned into b equal parts. Understand a fraction a over b as the quantity formed by a part of size 1 over b. And if you give this description to an 8-year, you probably get reaction like this to a math expert. This standard makes sense, but to a kid it's an absolute torture. I tell this example specifically because the fractions are the foundational to algebra, trigonometry, and Eiffel calculus. So kids don't understand fraction in the elementary middle school because it had half wrote why I had them in the high school. I start with the apple plus listen. For say yes. One apple plus one apple, and people often say two with the partly correct half, then include the word as well as with the math of the language. But not just two, it's two apple. Next is three pencil plus three pencil. Now that pencil plus pencil this pencil. So everyone how many pencil? 5 pencil. Is right. And the key is you include the word. I tried to submit with my 5 years old niece in math. After she's added pencil and pencil, I asked her what 4 billion plus 1 billion and my own overhead in the distance. She scowled and said, "Are you crazy? She's been kindergarten. How she's supposed to know what 4 billion plus 1 billion? I am done it." My niece Vanessa Clothing looks up and says 5 billion. Then I asked her question that kindergartner definitely. 1/3 plus 1/3, and she immediately answered 2/3, such as you are wondering how can she possibly know that when she doesn't know about the numerator and denominator yet. You see, she wasn't thinking about numerator and denominator. She solved the problem this way, and she used 1 apple plus 1 apple as her analogy to understand 1/3 plus 1/3. So even a kindergartner can add subtraction. You'd better believe that every third grader can do it as well.
And she did it any exponential rule to figure that is out. So when the people say that we are either aware or not, it's not true. Math is a human language, so we have all the ability to understand this. We need to make a language approach to math urgently, because too many kids are locked and they are hesitant about math. And I doesn't have to be that way. I work with an angry, frustrated high school student on who could pass the algebra because she's only now 44% of the multiplication test. I've told her that such a kind of word only now in the 44% on the alphabet. Holding me back, she couldn't pass the public relation, and she had no confidence in that. The result this teenager had confidence in herself. I've told her we have to start in the multiplication because once you know all of you have with your part, everything gets easier and there will be have a fastback every happy ride in Disneyland. What do you think? And she said, okay. She systematically learned a timetable in 4 weeks. And yes, even a multiplication has the language is better than that. You will be surprised how many kids don't realize 7 times 3 can be spelled out as 7 times 3, which just means 3 7 times, just like that. So when kids see this way, they quickly realize the repetition is slow and inconveniences. So they club the memories then 3 7 times.
Although with the 21, the further Tiger was the dropping out, become fluent and confident in multiplication with the game changer, because for the first time we can focus on the problem solving instead of counting on the finger. Emma knows she at the corner when she figured out the 2 years country at $445 a month will cost you $10,680, and she looked at the dictionary and said it's a polysox that's expression. At the moment, not having wonder causing problem for her, but to see having good at solving problem as the range to adult. As an educator, it's my duty to challenge kids to be tried. Try you with this challenge. Our country stuck at 26% subtraction, and I challenge you to pass the number 8. This is important because mathematical thinking not bullying you mind, but our kids need to imagine and develop their future. Meeting this challenge can be as simple as apple plus apple. It's that we said math the human language, and we will get there sooner or later. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment,